This is the daily lesson log DLL for teachers, MAPEH 8. In my lesson log, you will see the name of the school, the name of the teacher, the teaching date and the time. Also, you will also include the logo, and the parts are content standard, performance standard, learning competency, learning objectives. You will also see here the lessons for the whole week from Monday to Friday for the week 1 of the first quarter. Ang ating learning objectives ay palaging nakadepende sa learning competency according sa ating MELC. So example, week 1, lesson 1, ang learning competency natin is the learner listens perceptively to music of Southeast Asia. So dun tayo gagawa ng learning objectives about sa MELC base. For the second part, you will find the resources, the learning materials, the procedures, preliminaries, and the activity itself. Sa amin, 2 weeks ang transition ng bawat component sa MAPEH. So, week 1 and 2 ay nakalaan sa component ng music. Pero, every Friday is PE Day. Kadalasan ang activity ko ay kinukuha ko rin doon sa learning modules na ibinigay, or if maaari, gumagawa rin ako ng sarili kong activity for the lesson itself. Sa part na ito ng aking DLL or daily lesson log ay matatagpuan ang analysis or the processing questions, the abstraction or the part of the discussion of the lesson, and the application or the teacher-led activities. Dito sa analysis part, gumagawa ako ng 3 hot question about doon sa aking activity and the lesson. Usually, ito ay mga follow-up questions or enrichment questions. Sa abstraction, pwedeng discussion, pwedeng panel discussion, sharing period, at iba pang activities na student-centered. In this part of the lesson, we will find the assessment. It may be written or actual or practical test, the pen, paper, and other activities that is student-centered. The last part of the daily lesson log or DLL is the assignment and the signatories for the DLL. And there are the daily lesson log or DLL for teachers for MAPEH 8, quarter 1, week 1, lessons 1 to 4. If you like a copy of this DLL, follow the description.